Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
So, at that time, I was already in the spirit. So I cannot leave what I was doing to come and update the war. So until I finished what I was doing, because communicating with my ancestors is the most important things. Having finished communicating with them, I have to bring this to your notice, that the children of darkness have come to the land of Biafra to combat with the children of light. And as you all know that darkness can never comprehend light. It have never happened, it will never happen, and then it can never be in this our time. There is no way where darkness will overcome light, because wherever light shine, darkness disappear. The same way they will disappear today. I ask Hope, is it all you have? Hope, is it all you have? When the news break out that you bring 500 machinery in Imo State, I ask you, how many will come to Olu? How many will go to Okigwe? You never answer me that question. It is quite unfortunate that you just bring these innocent souls to come and die, because they must die. They have already been falling. Hope, call your men that you sent to war and ask them how far. Just 46 minutes ago or 48 minutes ago, many of them have already fallen. Is it all you got? I've told you, stop throwing bomb to our territory. It will not do us any harm. Bomb na blow, bullet na water. You know the year what? And you, where then say, may you come fight, you know they ask question. Now, so the other person, now the other people go cry, say, they don't tell them, say, na vampire, na spirit, then won't come fight. You know they ask question. You know they ask question. You go just wake up, carry uniform, wear, carry gun, carry bullet, say you won't come kill people. Now we own the ground. This is the land of our ancestors. You don't know? You know they ask question. And when you don't they die like this, you go begin to cry. You never start to, you don't they cry. You don't they cry early hour like this. You never even reach 1 hour. You don't they cry. You don't they cry. Why? You never see anything. What is greater than you is bigger than you. And what is bigger than you is greater than you. Biafra is greater than Nigeria. And Biafra Liberation Army is bigger than whatever forces combined together in Nigeria. I've told you, when you come to the land of Biafra, you're only coming here to die. Take it or you leave it. That is why, with full confidence, without fear of no favor, I will always tell you, come as many as you like. Because I know one thing for sure. You come in million, you will fall in million. You come in 1,000, you will fall in 1,000. You come in 100, you will fall in 100. And you come in 10, you will fall in 10. Is it when you come in unit, you will fall in unit. So, I have no doubt about that. No single doubt about that. Okay? I have no doubt about that. Today is 4th December, November, 4th November 2023. Saturday, the very last day, the day of Chukwugika Abiyama. The day he set aside for his children to respect and honor him is the day you come to wage war with us. Tell me why you must not die. Just tell me one reason why you must not die. And do you know what? Today is Eke, the very first market day in Igbo land. Eke will destroy all of you that step your foot into the land of Biafra in the name of to kill the children of the source. Because I will always tell you that he that come with bullet and gun must die with bullet and gun. You don't throw bomb. So far, you don't throw 5 bomb. I'm here to tell you the story. The last time you throw bomb, you end up destroying the innocent people home very far, about 4 poles away from our barrack. But you throw that bomb into our barrack. Several times I tell you that your bomb is a blue. Your bullet in water. You don't want to hear. You don't listen. In my here, or Konuche is the best. You don't have wisdom. You are very stupid and useless. You are an idiotic zoological people. Animal is even better than you because before animal cross road, you must look well before you cross. You are just a zombie. You wake up, you carry gun and bullet, one come fight with spirit. People where you know they see for face. You they see us. That is why they always tell you, where don't collect this new contract? Ask question. You know they see us. Now we be the legion. People where you don't kill many years ago, we are back to take our rightful position, to claim what rightfully belongs to us, to possess and take over that thing will make you kill us many years ago. And there's nothing you can do about it. The more you try, the more you will fall. The harder you come, the harder you will fall. We go nowhere. Hope. Call your men and ask them how many where them be now. As I'm talking to you now, they are on stand pick. They are packing their dead body. As I am talking to you now, Hope, the people you send is not even up to 1 hour. They are crying, packing their dead body. I don't even sure that this war will last up to 2 hours, because the way where today take their life is amazing. The ground are already beginning to suck their blood. Many today na Ekeo and today na Sabbath. That is what I want you to know. So you, where then they send to come and die, I want to give you advice before you come. Ask question, because they paid me the way where they take the cry. They paid me. Before you embark on the joining or mission, ask question. That is my own. Ask question. The people we are going to fight, who are them? What is their strength of war? You never defeated our forefather. What give you right? What give you that sense of belonging that you can defeat us? Upon few where they were, upon uncivilized that they were, they owed the entire war for 3 years. And at the end, you declare no victory, no banquet. Nobody win, nobody lose. For 3 years. And this was the war you think that it will only last for 3 days. Our forefather and our father hold you for good 3 years. Upon all your machinery, upon all your weapon, where they did not have anything then. They were not civilized like this then. But they owe you for 3 good years. What make you think that this civilized war, this their children, where their eye don't tear, front and back, left and right, up and down, water and sea, what give you that sense that you can defeat them? I'm only asking you a question. I'm telling you that you can never, not today, not tomorrow, not forever, defeat us in this war. If we decide to hold this war for the next 1,000 years, you will die until the last man of you die. I've told you we are not in the order to restore Biafra. We are not in the order to restore Biafra. We must cripple Nigeria to the last extent that Nigeria will use their mouth and beg Biafra to go. The same thing that happened to the children of Egypt, that they were begging the children of Israel to go, is the same thing that will happen in Nigeria. You will use your mouth, call international war to come in and beg us to just go. Mark my words. When the great prophet Nnamdi Kanu was telling you that you only come here to die, you never believe it. And he's asked God to give him just 100 men. And God gave him 1 million men. Because 100 times 100 is 1 million. You never understand what you mean. He asked God to give him 100 men. And God said, Nnamdi, this war is my war. It's the only war. Leave it for me. And God multiplied it times 10 for him. We have weapon. We have men. And above all, the Creator, Chukwu Kika Abiyama, is strongly backing us up. And you see this war, as I've told you before, you can defeat us. Even in the next 2,000 years to come, you can never defeat us. We are here to claim what we die for. We are legion. You have killed us before because we wanted to be in peaceful with you. And we decided to follow the peaceful way. You kill us. Now we have learned from our mistake. And we say to hell to the peaceful way. It is either Biafra or Biafra. Either you give us in peace or we take it by force. In any way you choose, our destination is going to be Biafra. You can be hearing sound of bomb. We are equal to the tax. But I'm asking you, Hope, is it all you can do? Hope, send more men now. Hope, send more men. Hope, send more men. Is it all you can do? You just sent 500 men to come to Osumowo. 2,000 came, they could not do anything. 1,000 came, they could not do anything. Now 500, you fit do something. Are you so stupid? Are you so stupid that you cannot reason with your head? Hope, are you so stupid that your mind cannot tell you that, hey, this man cannot match this army of Chukwuka Abiyama? Hope, go and read. You are illiterate, and that is what is disturbing Nigeria. Imagine Nigeria bounding history in their curriculums, in their schools. Did they know the functions of history? He who forsake history is bound to meet mystery. You ban history that's supposed to help your generation to know and guide themselves concerning the future. Because he who forget what happened to him in the past will soon meet the same thing, even in a greater update version of it in the future. The same you forget easily what happened to you in the past. Hope, send more soldier now. Send more soldier. All this one you are doing is the old fashion. Update, upgrade. Hope, upgrade. I was expecting you bring modern instrument to come to the land of Biafra so that at least the land of Biafra will test a different things. Not the same fashion. You don't throw this bomb, throw this one. I tell you, internet they do anything. You know they come with fighter jets again, because I'm not even sure you get one. Before now, fighter jet go, they come, they fly, they throw bomb. You don't lost 3 fighter jets within the surface of 1 week. So Nigeria no one release fighter jet, give you, tell them now, make them go. Even your Tokano, you know they bring them again. Because we have what it takes to bring it down. You know they bring it again. Now to bring an armor tanga with chain and stay very far. Where you carry human being, they do your shield. You stay for one village where you know say we no fit, if for the sake of those innocent people, we no fit retaliate to you, they throw bomb. They throw bomb. You are using, I want the world to know that Nigeria is using human to shield themselves. They are soldiers. Because they are terrorists. The same way Hamas was using innocent people to shield themselves. They are the same. The agenda is to Islamize Biafra. The agenda is the same. The same method Hamas were using is the same method Nigeria is using, because they are one. Have you not seen they are in support of Hamas? Nigeria is in support of Hamas because they are all terrorists. They are in support of Hamas because they are all terrorists. They are using human shield now. They are using human to shield themselves. They are in the midst of the community throwing bomb into our territory, knowing that we cannot react because we love our citizens very well. We don't want any harm to reach those of our beloved brother and sister. And so they are using them as a shield. And those foot soldiers of their machinery that come forward, they have collected it woto. I am telling you this morning that Nigeria terrorist forces are really getting it very hot. Happy Sabbath. Sabbath Shalom. You see, as I'm talking to you, I'm relaxing and talking because Chukwukikabiama have already taken over. The gods of our ancestors have already taken over. And they are crying as I'm talking to you now. They are crying. So, children of the Most High, well-wishers of Biafra, I'm here this morning to tell you that the game, once again, is on. They have come to try their power. Well, let's see if their power can last up to 3 hours. Up to 3 hours. It is 1 hour. It's not up to 1 hour, please. This war started. Yes, it is 1 hour. It is 1 hour and some few minutes. We are still in the battlefield. But as I'm talking to you now, they have already beginning to cry, packing their dead body. As I told you that we don't want them to leave any of their dead body behind, because we don't want the land of Biafra to be smelling with their dead body. The sinners, the body of the sinners to be smelling. So we always allow them to pack their dead body. And we also let them to carry their weapon alongside with them when they come to our territory. But the one we find them go, we will kill them and collect everything that they carry. But that one where they carry come to our territory, we will tell them to carry go, because now we think kill them. You come to the land of Biafra with gun, you will die with gun. So this morning, this is the information I've come to update you with. Stay tuned. Later in the day, I will be back to give you the score. May God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May God bless Simon Ekpa, who have taken it upon himself as a true disciple to provide this army all the necessary through the Biafra government in exile. May God bless and protect all the concrete, all the soldiers on ground fighting this holy war. And above all, may God bless Biafra. I will not forget you, my beloved family, my followers. My followers is my family. I will not forget you. May God bless your day. And all the supporters of freedom, you will never lack. Chukwukikabiama will protect you. And you will enjoy the holy land of Biafra. Yes. And do you know what? The enemies of Biafra will die in the land of Biafra. That is all I can tell you this morning. Keep your hand crossed. Pray for the men on ground. Put on red candle. This time around, I'm asking you to put on red candle. Red candle. Put on red candle and invoke the spirit of our ancestors, the spirit of our warrior, to arise and destroy those who come to the land of Biafra to fight the children of Biafra. Only red candle. So therefore, the gods are doing the needful. From me, from the land of the Osumowo, the land of the rising sun, I am saying good morning. Because from this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. God bless you until I come your way later in the day to update you. Thank you.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.